Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Atik 10. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and turn on bell icon to getting notified whenever I upload the video. In this video, I am going to give a suggestion to all about NPTEL exam for some subjects. Subjects which are problematic, please don't apply for the subjects. If you are excellent in that subject, then only you can register for that subject. Subjects like deep learning, natural language processing, reinforcement learning, and still there are so many subjects. I also don't know. These are the subjects which I have gone through. Please check the subjects which are problematic. Don't register for that subjects. Means don't pay the examination fee for that subjects. If you are going to prepare every assignment video or you are preparing like any expert, then only you can register. I am saying this because if you are paying the registration fee, it is not big thing. You are going to waste your money. Please don't waste your money by applying for these problematic subjects. Please share with your friends. In this way, I am going to share my knowledge. Please subscribe to the channel and please share with your friends. Thank you. Take care. Bye.